Welcome back, warmly welcome to all of you. We have seen the symbiotic nitrogen fixation by two organisms, first by the rhizobium and second by the blue-green algae. And in this lecture, we are going to see non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. This is a simple way or a simple meaning of a symbiosis. Symbiosis is that meaning both organisms are the benefited. Non-symbiotic, that means there is only one organism are the benefited. Let's see non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. The fixation of nitrogen by the bacteria that are the free living in the soil. That is simply bacteria are free living in the soil. In symbiotic nitrogen fixation, bacteria live in a association or the organism live in a association, but non-symbiotic bacteria live in a free in a soil. The Clostridium pastoridanum is one of the anaerobic bacteria which non-symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Another free living the aerobic bacteria that fix the atmospheric nitrogen is Azotobacter. Crococum granulobacter is a group of bacteria that obtain nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. In a tropical climate region, Azotobacter Benzenicia are the main bacterial species that involve nitrogen fixation and the providing nutrient for the growth of many crops. Some nitrogen fixing organisms live independently. Other organisms which known as a free living non-symbiotic nitrogen fixer. Okay, it was firstly reported by the Kamen and the Gates in 1949. It is less efficient as compared to symbiotic nitrogen fixation. The bacteria live free in soils and the air and the water, and they associate with the host atmospheric nitrogen. Hence, it is known as the associative nitrogen fixation. These bacteria are also found in a leaf and the bar of a surface. Many cereal crops, wheat, maize, sorghum, millet like bajra, different vegetable fruit crops, and some cash crop like sugarcane shown the symbiotic nitrogen fixation. The bacteria like Rhodospirillum, Rhodo, Rhodomicrobium, Rhodomonas chromatium, which having photosynthetic bacteria chemoautotrophs are involved in a non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Similarly, many non-photosynthetic aerobic bacteria such as Azotobacter, Azotococcus, Azospirillum, Azotomonas play a role in a non-symbiotic fixation. Some BGA member like Glucocapsa, Alphanocapsa oscillatoria involve non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. The summary of all non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation as below the nitrogen fixation. The non-photosynthetic aerobic bacteria Azotobacter, Xanthomonas, Azotococcus. Non-photosynthetic anaerobic Clostridium, Methanococcus. Photosynthetic anaerobic bacteria Chromatium, Rhodospirillum, Chlorobium. Cyanobacteria Oscillatoria, Glucocapsa, Aphamocapsa, and Calothrix. Okay, process of nitrogen fixation by the free living bacteria. Free living bacteria such as Azotobacter maintain the low level of oxygen concentration, microaerobic condition through which there are high level of respiration so that the maximum O2 will be consumed, and hence very low concentration in a remain in a cell so that the nitrogen enzyme will protect it from its damage. These bacteria grow very fast and maintain the growth rate and maintain the high respiratory rate, releasing the energy and consuming the O2 energy for the N2 fixation supplied to respiratory oxidation. Chemical substrate like pyruvate and the citrate reducing power NADPH reduces the nitrogen to the ammonia also come from the same process. Pyruvate is converted to citrate. Okay, and citrate is converted into isocitrate by the enzyme of a NADP to give the NADPH, ADP to give to the ATP. Nitrogen fixation by the free living aerobic bacteria. Bacteria Chromatium chlorobium to fix the atmospheric nitrogen by using the energy from the oxidation. Organic acid, alcohol, acetic acid, NADPH are the needed to reducing N to the NH3, also produces through the same process. The nitrogenase enzyme catalyze the reaction efficiently as there are the no O2 number of O2 to damage the enzyme. These bacteria are the anaerobic grow in the absence. Okay, let's see. N2 it is converted into NH3. NADPH gives to NDP and the ATP gives to ADP. In simple way, that gives the NH3. Non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation by the two aerobic and the anaerobic. Aerobic, this is a nitrogen fixation take place in presence of oxygen. Anaerobic nitrogen fixation take place in absence of oxygen. That is Clostridium benzerica. That are the overall concept about the nitrogen fixation by the non-symbiotic way. Here are the completed the nitrogen fixation process by the non-symbiotic. Non-symbiotic, that is a simple aerobic, anaerobic, photosynthetic, photosynthetic, that are the bacteria involved in the fixation of nitrogen, but it is not associated with the host plant. Okay, that is known as a symbiotic, non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation.